Crews are battling multiple wildfires in California, and they're about to get help from central Illinois. The SCU Lightning Complex of fires is now nearly 275,000 acres wide and 40% contained. It's destroyed more than 30 buildings since lightning sparks ignited it nearly 2 weeks ago. Members of the Illinois National Guard took flight today from Peoria, heading west to help firefighters there. A team of 6 flew out this morning, bringing with them a 2,000-gallon Bambi bucket, which can transport natural or artificial water sources. Captain Charles Auer says soldiers will do synchronization training before responding to the fires. He says this mission adds to the importance of supporting one another nationwide.
We always talk about, and kind of those briefs has always been supporting your community, right? Has always been the big push, but really it's response to the nation. So you have a federal and you have a domestic mission. That domestic mission doesn't necessarily just stay right here at the hometown, especially when you have a national asset like a CH-47 has to go anywhere at a moment's notice.
Auer says it'll take about 2 days to get out there, and they should be in California for about 2 weeks before returning home.